Does the following sound annoy you? If it does, then great! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn this sound off, so the one you just heard will be the last time you will ever have to hear it. To turn the sound off, press clock 2 times. Press start when you see OP2. Press start when it flashes off. Notice that you will not hear anything after the last step because this turns off the beeping sound when the microwave is done and the sound that you hear when you press the buttons. Let's take a look. See how you don't hear anything when I press the buttons? This is what it's going to look like once it's done. Exciting, right? Now that your microwave does not play any beeping sound, that means procrastinators, set a timer or something to remind yourself that you have something in the microwave. I'm really saying that to just remind myself to set a timer. You can always turn the sound back on if you need it. It's either the annoying sound or no sound at all, but the trade-off is worth it. I hope this tutorial is helpful. Thank you for watching. Bye!